I'm Cheri with cookswellwithothers.com, and I swing by every week to share some recipes for you for your weekly meal plans for your families. I always share 3 dinner recipes and 1 just kind of fun weekend recipe for you. And I did have to take a few weeks off because I had surgery, and my son filled in for me and did the videos, and he actually did do the meal plans also, and we very much enjoyed reading all of your texts and messages and kind words on how well he did. And I think that he really enjoyed it, so I'm pretty sure he'll be back at some point. So this week, my meal plan that I have for you is pretty healthy. We just got done with the holidays, pigging out on junk food, lots of holiday parties, and sometimes after New Year's, it's kind of nice to reset and plan a few healthy meals. So that's what I have for you this week. I'll get started. The first healthy meal that I have planned for you is Old Bay shrimp cauliflower rice bowls, and this one also has a meal prep option. It's shrimp, vegetables, all sauteed with some garlic and served over cauliflower rice. You could certainly serve it over regular rice if you're not into cauliflower rice, but like I said, this one has a meal prep option for you to keep you on track. The second healthy meal that I have planned this week is skinny Greek chicken salad. It's a bunch of Mediterranean ingredients all mixed together with some non-fat Greek yogurt instead of mayonnaise. And then I also have a bonus recipe for you this week. If you have some of the leftovers from the Greek chicken salad, you could make Mediterranean fried cauliflower rice, and you could make that as a meal, or you could just meal prep that. But if you have some of the leftover ingredients, you might as well use them, right? The third meal is a one-pan meal that is one of my family's favorites. It's maple pork tenderloin with apples. And if you are lucky enough to have some of that left over, it is phenomenal the next day. And then for your fun weekend recipe, I call it fun because I love making soups. I have a lighter version of the Zuppa Toscana soup that you would get at Olive Garden. This one is a little bit of a splurge, but it's a lightened up version. It's the weekend, so you can sit right. But I cut some corners for some calories on that one. So we have the light Zuppa Toscana soup for your weekend recipe. So I hope that you guys have a great week and swing by next week to see what's for dinner.